Let's get it. 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 You already know it's your boy Urben Currse, man. Let me tell y'all, we have a different case study today. We have Mandisi's on the Young Jock and the Streets Morning Takeover. That is a long ass name. Y'all got to change that shit. I'm just saying that is too much to be said for a damn morning show. Anyway, Mandisi's goes on their morning show to clear up a bunch of rumors, and one of the rumors that really stood out to me was that him and Yandy, who was his longtime partner for forever, his baby mom's, his wife, who we thought was his wife, and he clears up a bunch of stuff. So let's get into it, man. I thought this is very, very interesting, especially for public figures and all that, because I've been around people and I understand this whole play the game of perception. So
a lot of people don't really know how to take, the rumors that were starting to circulate about you in the streets, because it was like, dang, if she held him down.
So even if me and Yandy decide to break up, it's no one's business but our household. Right? So if you see me acting inappropriate, it's appropriate for me. It's maybe not for you, because I'm sorry you wasn't in the group chat when we decided that. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm sorry you wasn't in our bedroom when we had this conversation, and and that's the problem, because a lot of times these rumors, we so private that we sit back and we laugh at it, and it doesn't affect us like the way it affects the public. People be like, "Oh, y'all should be more transparent and let us know." Yeah, we gotta figure out how to let our children know.
Right, exactly.
For them to be a morning show, their audio is horrible. I'm not even a morning show, and my audio is better than that one. Golly, get y'all a better audio tech.
What's the status of you and Yandy right now?
Oh, we not together.
Y'all not together. So y'all getting a divorce?
Well, we never was like legally married, so I don't know.
You hear that? They were never legally married.
For the divorce.
Look at them. No, look at Jock face. Look at Jock face. He like, damn, you had to spill the beans, bruh. He knew. He talked to Mandisi's. He know Broco. He knew for a long time. He was just like, damn, y'all ain't really married.
So the rumors are true that y'all just did it for TV.
Listen. Nah, I didn't do it for TV. I think listen, it was Yandy.
Yeah, y'all technically did it for TV. When you think of what else did you do it for? Because if you didn't sign any papers, you did it for TV.
Yeah, right. Because in the beginning, we had I was going through legal battles with courts and fines, and she said, let's not sign the papers, and I was like, all right, cool. And then I guess it kind of just stayed that way. Then we got married again. And then we still ain't.
Yeah, because I was
Hold
at
on,
one.
go back. Yeah. I'm sorry, I gotta go back. I have to go back because I didn't understand the explanation.
And then we still.
Let's go back one more time.
It kind of just stayed that way. Then we got.
Hold up, go back a little bit more.
What's in fines, and she said, let's not sign the papers, and I was like, all right, cool. And then I guess it kind of just stayed that way. Then we got married again, and then. We still ain't.
Yeah, because I was at one though.
Yeah, you was at.
I was there and I had a good time.
Let me tell you something. I was shocked.
Beautiful.
It was beautiful. That was about it.
Yes, I remember the special.
Yeah, listen. But you gotta
they
think
did
about
have
it,
a special.
If I look back now, I see what people going through divorce with assets and stuff.
Divorce. I guess he got a kind of a problem with his pronunciation. I can't talk
like that.
You escaped. I'm going through.
We don't gotta go through none of that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So you won.
It kind of worked out.
How long have y'all been split, and how was the split? What was the coping?
So I've known Yandy for 20 years, right? So
it's a long time.
Right now we've been probably split up for over a year. 20 years, you don't. It's like that person.
It's a part of your life forever.
Help change you who you are today. Yeah. You grew up. I'm mature. There's so many ways messing with Yandy. I wouldn't be the man who I am today if it wasn't for her.
That's a beautiful thing to say.
So she made me look at family different. She just made me look at life different. If I show you how closed off I was, you know, I wouldn't be even sitting here having this conversation. So, you know, it's just unfortunate that, you know, after time, we couldn't just get on the same page.
Yeah, y'all, it's definitely unfortunate when you're a public figure, because I'm not gonna call these people celebrities. When you're a public figure and you're dating in the public, and your whole dating life has been in the public the entire time, and then people expect you to just keep everything in the public, but you still need to keep things for yourself. And when you do keep things for yourself, they think you're being dishonest, but it's like, no, we're human beings. You have to keep things for yourself. You don't have to share everything for the world. Like, you share things for a check, yes, and even then, you still got to be mindful what you're sharing for that check, because it could come back and bite you, or it could come back and it just make you look real crazy out here in these, you know what I'm saying, to your children or to your family or whatever the case may be, or to because it really not, who cares about everybody else? They just, you know, they the consumer. Hey, consume what we give y'all, and hopefully you like it. But yeah, man, that's crazy that they gotta lie about, you know, being in relationships or being, you know, married to somebody and all that stuff like that, like for optics, man. Just be 100 with it. Like this, I think it's stupid. I think it's stupid, man. But I get it. It makes for good TV. Like he said, they had a special and everything. So I know that they got good money for that special. So she played, listen, from what I know, from what I've seen about Yandy is a marketer. Meaning every moment she's gonna figure out how to market her life at this point. Once she got into the game, because I watched an interview with her when she was pretty much breaking down, like saying, hey, I didn't want to do this at first in the sense I wanted to be in front of the camera, but Mona Scott put me in front of the camera, and then pretty much you could tell she got bit by the bug. And when she got bit by the bug, she seen them checks come in and all that. She like, nah, I could run this up, especially as an executive producer or all of these different things, because she was a manager for many different rappers and all that stuff like that. I don't know how many, but I know Jim Jones was one of them and all of that. So I believe she's kind of almost like a what's the Kardashian mother name? Like a Kris Kardashian almost, where she just mastermind everything about the family. She like, yo, we could all make some money off of this. Like she got him out of the show, to the point where he's still on Love and Hip Hop to this day. We ain't never knew we was gonna see Mandy's making no damn interviews, especially talking about this and airing this out. Because I mean, you know, I wonder what she feel about this. I mean, at this point, he really don't care. I'm sure he don't give it. He just like, nah, I'm tired of people just slandering my name, and she get to run around and all of that, you know what I'm saying? Because I haven't watched Love and Hip Hop in forever. I see little snippets and stuff, and I seen little snippets. I'm like, damn, this is wild. Like her faking certain things about you, man. DC's in his phone and all this other stuff. So yeah, it's wild, man. This is these some wild people out here. But like, comment, subscribe, man. You already know. Hit the tick and the blicker. It's been going the whole time that the video been rocking, man. Again, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because if not, you can